This is the weekly weather briefing for Monday, October 21st, 2013. My name is Ty Judd, and this briefing will cover the weather for the upcoming week over the inland northwest. As always, forecasts are subject to change, so please check our website periodically this week for the most updated forecast. This briefing will cover the continued benign weather during the work week, with a possible change coming late in the weekend. What did you like the weather you experienced today? Well, this same weather can be expected through the work week with little change. But some areas will still experience early morning fog, which will be touched on the next slide. This is a satellite image for this morning, October 21st. It looks remarkably similar to the satellite image the last several mornings. With this unchanging pattern, the favored areas of northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle will continue until at least the end of this week. As seen in the graphic, a ridge of high pressure anchored over the Pacific Northwest has been responsible for the recent warm and dry weather. These stout high pressures are very hard to dislodge, and it doesn't look like this is going to happen during the work week. But are changes coming for the weekend? A change to the weather may occur during the latter half of the weekend. A weather disturbance will move south over eastern Washington and the Idaho Panhandle, bringing cooler temperatures and a slight chance for precipitation. The snow levels will fall to around 4,500 feet. Travel impacts are not expected, as this does not look like a very strong storm system. So in summary, the stagnant weather pattern that we have been in the last many days will continue through the work week. That means it will be dry with above normal temperatures, although the favored valleys will continue to see early morning fog. Slightly cooler temperatures are expected for the weekend, with a slight chance for precipitation over the higher terrain of northeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle. Thanks, and have a great week.